Ok, salut tout le monde, c'est Darik et aujourd'hui on se retrouve pour une nouvelle vidéo. Alors déjà je vous souhaite une très bonne année 2026. J'espère que tout ira bien pour vous, que ce soit dans vos projets perso ou dans vos projets professionnels également. Je vous souhaite de vous épanouir. Et donc pour commencer cette nouvelle année, on va faire un jeu totalement récent. Parce que vous me connaissez, moi je sors toujours des vidéos, des jeux qui sont sortis. Mais ça c'est fini, on va jouer, c'est simple, à Life is Strange, qui est sorti en 2015. Voilà, donc forcément, je suis encore en retard. Mais attention, j'ai pris la version remastered. Je sais pas ce que ça vaut. J'ai jamais joué, j'ai très peu vu d'extraits, à part quelques edits TikTok. Et à ce qui paraît, c'est un excellent jeu. Donc, full découverte avec vous. Je sais même pas de quoi je parle. Vachement haute. Vachement haute. Bah, c'est même pas genre ultra, c'est vachement haute. Attention, c'est vachement haute.
Where am I? What's happening? Trapped in a storm? How did I get here?
Je sais pas ce qui se passe, c'est une tornade de fou. Oh mais c'est même plus une tornade là, c'est l'apocalypse.
Holy shit.
Je sais pas ce qui se passe, mais là c'est aberrant. Et ben voilà, c'est fini.
That was so surreal.
Famously called film Little Pieces of Time. But he could be talking about photography, as he likely was.
Okay, I'm in class. Everything's cool. I am okay.
Alors, je suis accepté à l'académie Blackwell. Ok, stop. Bon, pour vous éviter 20 minutes de lecture intensive, je vais vous faire un petit résumé en voix off. Allez, c'est parti. Donc, nous incarnons Max. Max est une fille passionnée par la photographie et quitte Seattle pour intégrer l'université de Blackwell à Arcadia Bay, dans l'Oregon, grâce à une bourse. En arrivant, elle découvre un tout nouvel environnement de nature timide et a du mal à se faire des amis. Elle retrouve Chloé, une amie d'enfance avec qui elle avait perdu contact, et espère que leur relation pourra redevenir comme avant. Sur le plan scolaire, il faut savoir que Max adore les cours de photographie, surtout avec Monsieur Jefferson, son prof qu'elle admire beaucoup. En revanche, les cours de sciences sont plus compliqués pour elle. Elle trouve alors du réconfort avec Warren, un camarade gentil et intelligent qui devient un ami proche. Socialement, elle est mal à l'aise face aux élèves populaires et riches comme Victoria Chance ou encore Nathan Prescott, membre du Vortex Club, qu'elle perçoit comme arrogant et injustement privilégié. Voilà, maintenant que vous savez tout, on peut reprendre notre aventure.
Both were the great chroniclers of the 1950s. Well, shh. I believe Max has taken what you kids call a selfie. Can you please tell us the name of the process that gave birth to the first self-portraits?
Je le savais. Bon, bah, pas dire moi, parce que...
I did know, but I kind of forgot.
Parce que de toute façon, il a dit
You
Max.
either know this or not, Max. Is there anybody here who knows their stuff?
Louis Daguerre was a French painter who created daguerreotypes,
Ouais,
a
Victorien.
process that gave portraits a sharp reflective style like a mirror.
Still waiting for your entry too. And yes, Max, I see you pretending not to see me.
Attends, viens, on va essayer de tout foutre en l'air. Genre, on va tout casser.
Victoria doesn't waste a second kissing ass. Hi, Kate.
Oh, hi Max.
Mais c'est celle qui se fait harceler. C'est bon, j'espère que je t'ai pas gêné. Ouais, parce que là on est arrivé un petit peu en mode salut.
Kate, I hope I didn't embarrass you with my lame answer.
It sucks to be dragged into the spotlight.
Unless you're Victoria.
She's got nothing on you, Max. Well, I should get going.
Yeah, me too. Talk to you later.
J'ai pas eu le temps.
I didn't have any time. Way too much homework.
Max, you're a better photographer than a liar. Now, I know it's a drag to hear some old dude lecture you, but life won't wait for you to play catch up. You're young, the world is yours, blah, 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 right? But you do have a gift. You have the fever to take images, to frame the world only the way you envision it. Now, all you need is the courage to share your gift with others. And that's what separates the artist from the amateur.
You didn't tell me how cute I looked yet.
Welcome to the real world. I need a serious timeout in the bathroom. Splash water on my face and make sure I don't look like a total loser.
So fucking shy. She takes selfies.
La BO. Incroyable. Qu'est-ce que j'adore ces styles de jeu. C'est mon casier ça?
I hate having everybody see inside my locker.
Ouais, c'est en rouge. Ouais, c'est le
I love that picture of Mom and Dad. Hello, Jack. Kiss, kiss. Andy, you look totally fabulous as usual. Logan.
Avis de recherche? Comment ça? Attends, comment ça, avis de recherche?
It looks like she's been gone for months.
Rachel Amber. Qui c'est? J'espère qu'on la retrouvera un jour.
Empty. Good. Nobody can see my meltdown. Except for me.
Rachel Amber est une pute. Mais ce que je comprends pas, c'est que c'est qui?
Now, who would bother to write that crap?
Enfin, c'est celle qui a disparu. Oh putain, le vrai Christine, incroyable. Ah, ça a des ghettos quand même, ce lycée. Hein.
When a door closes, a window opens. Or something like that. Okay, girl, you don't get a photo op like this every day.
Attends, je vais aller toucher le papillon. Ah, photo, oui. Repars pas, je t'en supplie. C'est bon, c'est une masterclass la photo? Et pourquoi il y a... Et attends, pourquoi il y a Peter Parker qui spawn?
It's cool, Nathan. Don't stress. You're okay, bro. Just count to 3. Don't be scared. You own this school. If I wanted, I could blow it up. You're the boss. So what do you want?
I hope you check the perimeter, as my step-ass would say. Now, let's talk business.
I got nothing for you.
Wrong. You got hella cash.
That's my family, not me.
Oh, boo-hoo, poor little rich kid. I know you've been pumping drugs and shit to kids around here. I bet your respectable family would help me out if I went to them. Man, I can see the headlines now.
Leave them out of this bitch.
I can tell everybody Nathan Prescott is a punk-ass who begs like a little girl and talks to himself.
You don't know who the fuck I am or who you're
Putain,
messing
merde.
around with.
Where'd you get that? What are you doing? Come
Aïe.
on, put that thing down!
Ever tell me what to do. I'm so sick of people trying to control me.
You are going to get in hella more trouble for this than drugs.
Nobody would ever even miss your punk ass, would they?
Get that gun away from me, psycho! No!
Ah mais là c'est la sauce là. Je prends le flingue et je le bute.
Whoa. What the fuck? How can that be? I was in the bathroom.
Elle a des pouvoirs et on va devoir revivre. Donc on va devoir sauver la fille.
I held up my hand. Oh,
Now,
shit!
can you give me an example of a
Man, I
photographer
cannot
who
believe
perfectly
this.
captured the human condition in black and white?
Okay, if I'm crazy, I might as well go all the way.
Bueller?
Diane.
Can I actually reverse time?
Ah, elle veut qu'on essaie de réparer le. D'accord.
I did
Now,
it.
Can you give
I
me an
actually
example
did
of
it.
a photographer who perfectly
I'm a
captured the
human
human
time
condition in
machine.
black and white? Yes, Victoria, you still
On
have
va
to
se
do your
dépêcher à
homework.
aller
Even if you're
sauver
sitting in
la
your-
personne.
I hope I have enough time to get to the bathroom. Please,
J'ai pas le temps, j'ai pas le temps,
I
désolé.
can't tell anybody. It's happening again.
I'm too scared to get near this psycho.
We're going to get in hella more trouble for
Bah du
this
coup,
than drugs.
super, mais on fait quoi? On va
Ever
attendre
even
qu'elle.
miss your punk.
Get away from me, psycho!
Holy shit, I can't let Max. You're going to get hurt.
No, no,
Mais-
no, no, no.
Psycho!
Ok. Juste con en fait. J'ai capté, j'ai capté.
Don't ever tell me what
Déplace.
to do.
Ok.
I'm so sick of people trying to
Je
control
prends.
me.
You are going to get in hella more trouble for this than drugs.
Nobody would ever even miss your
Casse
punk
ça.
ass, would they? No way.
Don't
Oh là.
ever touch me again, freak!
Et là je prends le flingue.
Another shitty day.
Ok, ça va.
Hey, do you hear that fire alarm? That means you should be outside.
I had to use the bathroom.
Thank you, Mr. Madsen. The situation is under control. There's no emergency here. Leave Miss Caulfield alone and please turn off that alarm since that's your job. You look a little stressed out. Are you okay, Max? Talk to me.
Il a un peu peur. Dénoncer Nathan. Crashabilité. Moi, on va dire honnête. J'essaie de faire honnête. Ah non, caché. Ah, j'ai pris cracher la vérité. Ah putain, j'ai failli faire une merde. On va dénoncer.
I just saw Nathan Prescott waving a gun around in the girls' room.
Nathan Prescott. You sure?
Yes.
Is a serious charge. I'll look into the matter personally.
Putain, c'est vraiment très chill comme jeu. J'aime beaucoup. Mais c'est qui cette fille? Il faut que je comprenne.
Rachel
qui c'est.
Amber.
Pourquoi elle a disparu? On sait pourquoi elle a disparu? Alors, wow. On se calme. Oh, tranquille. Mad Max, tu viens. Pardon, mais la blague elle m'a eu. D'infos et d'espace. Hello, attends! Désolé, je suis en retard, journée de fou, RDV dans le parking. Le parking G.
I better get to my dorm and grab that flash drive.
C'est où, dortoir? Moi, je sais pas où c'est, moi je connais pas. Pour moi, dortoir, ça ressemble plus à gauche. Ah ouais, dortoir. Putain, je suis un putain de génie et je l'ai dit tout à l'heure en plus.
I need to go there and grab Warren's flash drive.
Ah mais oui, c'est vrai que le jeu date d'il y a longtemps, donc tu peux pas passer de zone en zone. Moi, je me dis un truc, tu vois, c'est que je pense que j'aurais adoré vivre dans une université genre américaine. Parce qu'à mon avis, ça va être incroyable, quoi. Coucou les filles! Salut les girls! Ah non, merde, c'est Victoria. Oh, putain, je vais le faire... Monsieur, vous savez où il y a une entrée dans ce bordel? Parce que je sais pas où je suis, en fait. Là où je peux entrer? Non.
Samuel?
Well, hello there.
You look
Bizarre.
busy, Samuel.
I'm always up to something. Today it's sweeping.
Just don't paint over the posters for Rachel Amber.
You can't color over that sunlight.
Ah! Putain, on est vraiment des génies. S'il te plaît, dis-moi oui.
You knew Rachel?
How can you know a prison? You just stare in awe. Now I have to go paint windows.
What was
Non,
she like?
ouais, je veux savoir.
She must have been popular.
Even sunlight can cast shadows. Rachel did both at once, you know. She was like a battery. Positive and negative.
What do you think happened to her?
Best not to dwell on the past. Samuel looks forward. Like a clock.
Le mec, il parle de lui à troisième
And
personne.
watch your step around here, Max.
Mais ce mec est bizarre.
After I sweep.
Il a tué Rachel. Non, mec, c'est n'importe quoi, le mec il part en steak. Mais attends, c'est la timide de la classe. Je vais lui parler.
Hi, Kate.
Hey, Max, I'd like to be alone if you don't mind. I'm sorry.
Super. Et bah, je vais me faire foutre. Ça va être un plaisir de lui parler. Ouais, t'es prêt?
Since you know all the answers, I guess you have to find another way into the dorm. We ain't moving.
Putain, mais il
Oh,
frappe là.
wait. Hold that pose. So original. Don't worry, Max. I'll put a vintage filter on it right before I post it all over social medias. Now, why don't you go fuck your selfie?
Oh, yes, Victoria. I'll get your bony ass out of my way.
On va lui faire une connerie, genre ça, là, on va détacher ça. C'est quoi, fais voir? Mais attends. Ah merde, je peux plus activer. Ah voilà.
What the hell? Are you kidding?
Nickel. Putain de génie. Je suis un putain de génie.
No way! No fucking
You
way!
okay, Victoria?
Oh, Samuel is sorry. Wet paint is not good for hair. Nope.
Get
Sorry.
the hell away from me, weirdo!
Hold on. We'll get some towels. We'll be right back.
Et là, on va l'envoyer chier. Je me moque.
I am sorry.
On va essayer
That's an awesome
d'être
cashmere
gentil. On est pour
But there'll be another.
la paix dans le monde.
Thanks, Max.
Moi, tu vois.
I hope those sluts get me a towel before they hang a sign on me. You deserve a better shot. Sorry about blocking you and the go fuck your selfie.
Bon, tu vois, en fait, il faut être toujours sympa, même si t'as envie de les frapper.
Victoria probably played me.
Oh là là, la chambre de fou. Ah, petite guitare, c'est important ça.
Home sweet home. My favorite cocoon. I need to play it
J'ai
more.
pas le temps, je joue. Ah ouais, en fait, il fallait juste que j'appuie sur échappe. Donc c'est sûr que ça allait durer post-it. Est-ce qu'elle aurait écrit le mot de passe de l'ordinateur sous le post-it?
Looks like Dana left me a little post-it note.
On vole mes affaires, quoi.
Great.
You can't get out now, Dana. So tell me the truth or rotten.
Ah bah voilà, j'ai trouvé la chambre de...
Welcome to the real drama queens of Blackwell. Hey, Juliet. Is everything cool?
Oh, yes, Max. I've locked Dana in the room because we're cool.
Qu'est-ce qu'elle a fait?
What did she do?
What didn't she do? Dana's been sexting with my boyfriend.
Ouch. How did you find out?
Why do you care? Why are you even asking me? You never talk, just zone out with your camera.
That's why I'm talking to you now.
What's my last name?
C'est ciao. Bon bah une chance sur 4. Hein. Merde.
Juliet Patson.
That was truly sad. Thanks for your concern, Max Caulfield. By the way, Juliet Watson.
Pardon, ouais mais regarde. Et bah moi ce que je peux faire c'est ça. Hop.
Juliet Watson, you be nice.
Je dis direct.
I'm flattered. I didn't even think you knew my name at all.
You are ridiculous.
Of course I do.
Thanks. I locked Dana in because she was sexting Zach, my boyfriend. Unbelievable.
Ça c'est cool. C'est son bruit de l'espace-temps quoi.
According to Victoria, Dana would do anything to date a quarterback.
According to Victoria. Huh.
Chambre de Victoria. Oh, je t'en supplie. C'est vrai? Vas-y
Now
quoi?
I have to...
Ah oui donc ok c'était faux. Imprimer mail parce que je suis vraiment. Tiens j'ai trouvé ton. Hop.
Juliet, read this.
Of course.
Eh oui.
I'm an asshole. I'm sorry, Dana.
Bon.
Must protect my
Max, you're smart to be a loner here. Though Warren obviously likes hanging with you.
Ah.
What do you mean?
Oh, nothing. When you opened the flash drive, didn't you see the special folder called Max?
Yeah, okay. I gotcha.
Fuck this shit.
Ow! That hurt.
Damn, I better rewind.
Get lost, hipster. I'm not doing any. Fuck this shit.
Je vais mettre au milieu.
Fuck this shit.
D'accord.
Alyssa, move your head.
If you insist, Max.
Now that's what I'm talking about. I actually helped somebody.
Je suis quelqu'un de gentil. Ah, je ne peux pas passer. Oh putain. Oh putain, alors ça me fait très peur ça. Mais on m'en est pas amis. Et bah tant mieux. Ouais, je veux pas de toi dans mes amis, Victoria. Si je peux dire, déjà, on va dire que t'étais pas une grande victoire.
So don't think I'm blind. I see everything here at Blackwell. Do you understand what I'm saying?
No, and leave me alone.
Mais qu'est-ce qui se passe? Je pense que prendre une photo, c'est pas la meilleure option. Non, je pense qu'on va intervenir parce que prendre une photo, après t'en fais quoi de la
Hey,
photo?
why don't you leave her alone?
Excuse us. This is official campus business.
Excuse me, you shouldn't be yelling at students or bullying them.
Hey, nobody is bullying anybody. I'm doing my job.
No, you're not.
You're part of the problem, Missy. I will remember this conversation.
Ok.
Thank you. It means a lot.
Anytime, Kate.
Bon, il est où le beau gosse qu'on va essayer de pécho là? Ah, le goat. Le goat devant sa voiture là, il est à fond. Avis de recherche. Mais putain, mais c'est qui colle tout ça?
What up, Max? How are you?
Here's your flash.
Aïe.
Thanks.
Aïe, 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 aïe. Bon bah voilà, ça c'est
Check
déjà
out my
fait.
new wheels.
Cool. Very old school.
This week,
Et lui il veut baiser.
but you seem
Oui.
distracted.
Have you ever had a dream so real it was like a movie?
Max Caulfield, right? You're one of the Jefferson's photo groupies.
I'm one of his students.
What the fuck ever? I know you like to take pictures, especially when you're hiding out in the bathrooms. You best tell me what you told the principal. Now, answer me, bitch.
Alors là,
I
mon
told
pote.
him the truth. A student had a gun.
No, you told him I had a gun. That's why he dragged me into his office.
And did what? Give you a stern lecture?
Nobody lectures me. Everyone tries, though.
Ouais,
They try.
on va le buter. Le mec, il est trop
You
bon.
should talk to somebody, Nathan.
Do not analyze me. I pay people for that. Worry about your.
Dans cette situation, j'appelle
I
la police.
could call the police.
Exactement.
Do it. The Prescotts own the pigs here.
Get
away from her, dude.
Hey, leave him alone.
Nobody tells me what to do. Not my parents, not the principal,
Stop that!
or that whore in
Right
the bathroom.
now! Max? Chloe?
No way. You again.
Go! Go! I got this! Get in, Max!
Get your punk asses out of there now! Don't even try to run! Nobody! Nobody!
C'est à l'ancienne, ce mec.
Oh, you were happy to wait 5 years without a call or even a text.
Mais c'est Chloé. Mais oui, c'est celle que... Oh, je viens de partir. Ouais, excusez-moi, là, on est le 1er janvier, je suis un peu fatigué.
Broken. Man, are you serial?
Wow, haven't heard that one in a while.
Not everything changes. Except my camera has officially taken a shit.
My step douche has a boatload of tools. Maybe you can fix it at my place.
I need very specific tiny tools.
Nerd alert. My stepdad has a fully stocked garage, and he actually is a tiny tool. My room looks a bit different than the last time you saw it. Put on some music while I medicate.
Je vais mettre un peu de musique là, du beau son là.
It won't play without any power.
Ah oui.
So tell me, what does Max Caulfield do for fun now that she's a grown-up?
I don't feel grown up, just more confused as I get older. So it was Chloe who printed all those flyers.
Hey, give me that!
Sorry, I wasn't trying to be nosy. Obviously, she was a good friend.
It's putting it mildly.
Il faut qu'elle nous dise qui c'est cette fille. Qui est-elle?
That's Rachel Amber. Her missing person posters are all over Blackwell.
Yeah, I put them up. She was my angel. After my dad died and you moved, I felt abandoned. Rachel saved my life.
Man, I had no idea.
Well, you never made much effort to find out. I was 14. We were best friends.
Et là, on va lui enfoncer le truc, on va lui dire elle m'a remplacé.
So, Rachel took my place. I'm glad she was there for you.
Rachel had my back. We were gonna kick the world's ass. You would laugh at how different we were. She wanted to be a star.
She looks like a model.
That was her plan. Our plan. Get the hell out of Bigfootville and into Los Angeles.
So
oui,
what
moi je sais
happened?
ce qui s'est passé.
Did your folks, your mom, try to stop you?
My mom was too busy hooked up with Sergeant Shithead.
I feel the love. Now, when did Rachel actually disappear?
6 months ago.
Ah.
She just left Arcadia. Without a word. Without me.
What about her parents? Are they looking for her?
They're in denial. Max, I know she's missing.
I assume you know more than that.
Before Rachel left, she said she met somebody who changed her life. And poof.
And you haven't heard anything from her
Ah,
since?
c'est chaud ça.
Like everybody in my life. My dad, you, and Rachel. Gone.
Gone.
Can you put on some music now?
Oui, 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 je vais mettre de la musique et de la bonne musique. Hein. Ah, magnifique.
Anyway, you can find tools to fix your camera in the garage.
Chloe, are you okay?
Sure, I'm awesome. I just want to blaze and be alone for a moment.
Ok, bah dis-moi d'aller me faire foutre, ça sera pareil. Alors le garage. Pour aller au garage, il faut descendre, ça c'est de la phrase.
Nothing. This is so lame. These are
Là.
way too big. I need tiny tools for that camera. Chloe's stepdad is head of security at Blackwell. He wants to put surveillance cameras all over the school.
Ah, c'est lui le...
How paranoid can you get?
Pourquoi?
Should I switch the song? Decisions, decisions.
Ah, j'allume. Dès qu'il y aura des
What the-
doutes.
Chloe's stepdad actually installed cameras in the rooms?
Et mais même dans les chambres. Oh putain, l'enfer. Ok. Le daron est à fou.
I wonder what's in those files up there.
On va chercher. Peut-être qu'il y a des informations sur...
Shit! Butterfingers! Kate Marsh? Why the hell would he have pictures of her?
Merde!
Okay, this is getting totally weird.
Mais il prend des photos des... Ah! De... Bon, c'est pas pour autant que je trouvais... Putain, il fallait le voir. Oh, oh.
Ooh, precision screwdrivers. Except I can't reach them.
T'inquiète, ça t'allume. Et bla! Allez, tombe, tombe, tombe. Oh, merde.
That was very smart, dumbass. No can reach.
Un carton. pousser.
Let's see. The tools are stuck, out of reach, and no way in hell to get them. Brilliant, Max. Brilliant.
T'as juste à te baisser et puis tu le prends, je vois pas où le... Et si je remonte le temps, ça fait un truc, tu vois. Je sais pas s'il faut que je le pousse et que je le rallume. Ça n'a aucun sens. Et si c'est ça qui marche, ça n'a aucun sens. C'est ce que je crois. Ça n'a vraiment aucun sens.
Yes, you have mad skills, Max.
T'avais juste à te baisser, tu le prenais, je vois pas où le... Mais bon, vas-y, parle.
I've got the tools.
Are these your new photos?
Yeah, I just took them today.
Let me see. I've seen this before. No way. When did you take this? You took this photo, you brat? In the bathroom today. You set off the alarm. That's why Nathan raged after you. It totally makes sense. You hella saved my life. Now tell me the truth, Max.
Allez,
I
on va
was
lui
there,
dire.
hiding in the corner.
On va lui
Damn,
dire, on va lui dire.
you're a ninja.
Quand
A
même.
ninja would have cut Nathan's head off. I just took a butterfly photo.
That is so badass.
Oh yeah, I almost wet myself when I saw the gun.
So, did you recognize me?
I wasn't sure.
Je
I
n'étais pas
know I
sûr.
look a lot different.
I was scared too. I couldn't see straight.
I don't blame you, Max.
Like you said, it's been that kind of day.
So you must have overheard our conversation.
Un peu, bon allez.
Just a bit.
Bon, j'espère qu'il va nous
There's
dire.
no way you didn't hear every single vowel.
Okay, I only heard something about money, drugs, but that's it.
Now for the big question. Did you tell anybody?
Genre
Like
qui?
who?
Like anybody. Stop stalling, sister.
The principal. But he didn't seem to believe me.
The principal? Are you still 12? That drunk jackass only cares about cash for Blackwell Academy. Don't trust him. Now that we got that mushy shit out of the way, I feel like stage diving. Let's thrash this place. Yes, break it down, man.
Ambiance pronote. Merde.
How many times have I told you to stop blasting that punk shit?
Dude, the music's not even on.
I'm coming up. We need to talk.
Oh, no fucking way. You need to hide now. My stepdad will kill me if he finds you here. Max, find a place to hide now.
Chloe,
I'm
what are
coming.
you doing?
Je me
I'm
cache.
not a kid anymore. I can't hide under the bed. Where else?
Bon, je me
Don't
cache ici.
get
alors.
smart. Just let me in now. Please.
1 second. My bra is stuck. Shit.
What's going on in here? Why is she here?
None of your business.
I don't like strangers here.
Stop freaking. She's not a stranger. This is my friend.
Great. Another one of your friends.
Aïe, aïe,
I
aïe.
ordered you to never go through my files. You obviously have.
I didn't touch your files, David. I could care less about your files.
You care about starting shit, Chloe, and it's getting old.
You do know I believe in gun control?
Wait. Is that grass? You been token up again in here?
Oh yeah, guns, weed. You were tripping balls.
I'm sick of your disrespect. Tell me the truth. That's an order.
It's not my pot. It's from Max.
Is this true?
Bah. Oui, oui, on va pas, on va pas dire non.
Yeah, my pot.
So you're bringing drugs into my home. How about if I call the police? That'd screw up your spotless Blackwell record. You do seem to get around, Max. I'm sick of you losers dragging Chloe down. Missy, you sure do like to pop up and start trouble. Like this afternoon. You don't have anything smart to say now, do
Get
you?
the hell away from
Huh?
her, man. Stop harassing my friends.
And Max, if I see you here again, you'll learn all about real trouble.
Super ambiance dans cette famille.
Anyway, let's sneak out the window. There is one cool place we can hang in this hick hole.
Ah. Oui, le fameux phare hein, du début de jeu. Elle est partie où notre ami là? Ah, ça a l'air d'être beau. Hein. J'ai pas encore vu à quoi ça ressemblait quand il faisait jour parce que bon la dernière fois c'était un peu chaotique. Qu'est-ce qu'il me veut? Je t'en dois une. Merci pour aujourd'hui. Je t'appelle plus tard, promis. Pas de problème. Tu dois toujours me parler de ton super secret. Masterclass.
Sure you don't want to be alone?
Have a seat, Pete.
Feels nice out here after all that drama.
You really took one for Team Chloe.
I'm not as brave as you. And David is indeed a step douche.
I'm sorry you had to experience it firsthand.
You have to live with him. Has he always been this way?
Ever since my desperate mom dragged his ass to our home. I never trusted Dick.
He freaked out on poor Kate Marsh today.
I know her. She's cool. Only that prick would bully her.
He has some kind of weird agenda.
Moi je
He
dis
has
ce
a
mec
lot
il est
of secret
chelou, je pense
files.
que...
Rambo still thinks he's gathering enemy intelligence.
Oui, et bah vous savez quoi, bah je fais toute la run en étant le plus sincère possible. Je pense que c'est ce qu'il faut faire.
Well, yeah, I couldn't help it.
Never change. What did you find?
Creepy photos of Kate Marsh, other Blackwell students.
This dude takes his job too seriously. He still thinks he's at war or something. He's a total surveillance fetish. Where are there spy cams in the house?
I knew you didn't know. Chloe, your house is under surveillance.
What are you talking about?
There are cameras all over the house. I saw it on a monitor in the garage.
I knew it. He is so hella fucking paranoid. I'll keep this a secret for now.
Sometimes ignorance is bliss.
No wonder I'm so miserable. Everybody in this town knows everybody's secrets.
Ah, bien sûr,
Even
voilà,
yours.
c'est bien ça.
Not anymore.
So what do you have on Nathan?
He's an elite asshole who sells bad shit cut with laxative. And he dosed me with some drug in his room.
What?
I met him in some shithole bar that didn't card me. He was too rich for the place and too wasted, and he kept flashing bills.
Just tell me what happened, Chloe. Now.
I was an idiot. I thought he was so blazed it would be an easy score.
You needed money that bad?
Actually, yes. I owe big time. And I thought I'd have enough for me and Rachel if she showed up. If this is destiny, I hope we can find Rachel. I miss her, Max.
Je sais pas qui c'est cette Rachel. Enfin si, je sais que c'est ton... Enfin c'est ta ancienne meilleure amie, mais...
This shit pit has taken away everyone I've ever loved. Oh no! Not again!
Oh, maintenant elle fait des cauchemars, genre elle...
Why is this happening to me?
Ah, c'est compliqué, hein. On remonte le temps. Vite. Monte.
Oh my lord! The tornado is back!
Tu vas pas me dire que je devais... Attends. Tu vas pas me dire que je dois...
October 11th? Is this Friday? That's only 4 days away!
Oh no. The tornado is headed straight for the town.
Ah, c'est le futur, elle voit le futur.
You're here! I'm back! Oh my lord, this is real! It's real! Oh man, this sucks! Max, what's going on? You totally blacked out.
I didn't black out. I had another vision. The town is going to get wiped out by a
Ah, mais c'est
tornado.
IRL, c'est dans le futur.
Oregon gets about 5 tornadoes every 20 years. You just zoned.
No, I saw it. I could actually feel the electricity in the air.
Come on, take a breath, okay?
Chloe, I'm not crazy. But there's something else I have to tell you. Something hardcore.
Elle va
Talk
le
to
dire.
me, Max.
Elle va
I
le dire.
had this same vision earlier in class. When I came out of it, I discovered I could reverse time. Like I said, not crazy.
But high, right?
Listen to me. How do you think I saved you in the bathroom?
By reversing time? Yeah, sure.
I saw you get shot, Chloe. Saw you actually die. I was able to go back and hit the fire alarm.
Okay, I see you're a geek now with a great imagination, but this isn't anime or a video game. People don't have those powers, Max.
I don't know what I have, but I have it. And I'm scared shitless.
You need to get high. It's been a hella insane fucking day. What the hell? hell is this?
Snowflakes?
It's like 80 degrees. How?
Climate change. Or a storm is coming.
Max, start from the beginning. Tell me everything.
Par contre, la neige à 24 degrés, bon. Je sais pas que... Quoi que c'est possible avant une tempête, vous croyez? Je sais même pas. Eh, il faut la sauver. Hein. Ok, et eh bah écoutez, c'était vraiment sympa, j'ai bien aimé. Bon après c'est l'épisode 1, donc je suppose que là ça a mis tous les enjeux et tout, ça doit être comme un gros film. Donc écoutez, pour moi je suis chaud de continuer. Dites-moi si ça vous si vous êtes chaud aussi. Peut-être que là je vais peut-être lancer une série du coup de Mad Life is Strange où on se retrouvera tous les dimanches pendant 2 mois. Et puis on va faire tous les épisodes, mais ça a l'air d'être super intéressant comme histoire. Bref. Si vous avez aimé, n'hésitez pas à liker, commenter et vous abonner. Et on se dit pour la prochaine vidéo. C'était Darik. Ciao tout le monde et encore une excellente année 2026.